This is the DEF Refractometer. It's the OTC brand. It's 5025. There's a bunch of different variations from different companies of this, but they mostly work about the same. And what you do is you drop DEF on here and you want to look at the gauge and see what it lines up with. So as you can see, there's a little bit of smearing on there. See if it'll focus. It's got a reflection, so it's kind of hard to focus. There we go. There is a bit of smearing. So what you do is you drop some water. I think it's supposed to be distilled or whatever. Sometimes if you don't have that in the field, you just spit on it. But the best thing is to use water and get that completely wiped off. You don't use any sort of soap, just water, and then wipe that off and make sure there's no smearing. Once that is done, get yourself a hose, or if you have a bucket of this stuff, I guess, but normally it's going to be in a DEF tank. And then you put your finger on one side of the hose and put that in, pull it out, and then put enough on here to actually cover it. We've got some on there. We're going to close it, and then you look in here. You kind of see it. It should be at 32.5. Don't want anything out of that range, so 32.5 is what you want. If it's way high or way low, either you got contaminants or water or something else in there, so go ahead and clean that off. And that is how to use a DEF refractometer. You can go a little more in depth with this thing. There's some tuning and whatnot you can do with this piece, but I'm not going to go into that. That's just a basic on how to use this thing. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped somebody, and if it did, consider subscribing. Okay, bye.